I'm Eddie Cannell.
And I'm Tom Cannell.
Welcome, everyone. This is the Mortgage Brothers Podcast, and today we are talking about VA home loan limits for 2021. And it's something that we wanted. This is a podcast update, but it's really an update to remind everyone of the VA home loan change that happened in 2020, and a lot of people forget about.
Well, and not only do you forget about it, it's hard to get your head around because it's such a big number. It's such a big deal.
Yeah. I mean, FHA loan limits have increased, conventional loan limits have increased, but VA's got something really powerful. And believe it or not, in 2020, for a lot of borrowers who have full entitlement, VA has no loan limit. Okay. So now this is the disclaimer is that some banks are going to have probably some, a number. They may limit you to a number, but you have to be checking. There are banks that we work with that are fine up to 1.2 million, zero down.
1.2 million, zero down. We were talking about it before the podcast. How can that be?
Yeah,
it is.
In jumbo financing right now is not good. I mean, it's hard to find good rates, low costs on jumbo financing. I mean, for some borrowers, it works. But if you're a veteran and you've never used your VA loan before, you're buying, a home in the 600, 700, 800, 1 million, and you want to put zero down, 5% down, whatever it is, you can put zero and you'd get awesome financing terms.
Yeah. Best in town. I bet you there are some commercial developers that wish they were veterans.
Right.
Gee whiz.
And so again, this is just a really powerful reminder to everybody. VA, be sure to just check it out. If you haven't been thinking VA for your jumbo loan or your large loan amount, definitely use or take advantage of your VA eligibility. And again, the best thing to give your lender is your certificate of eligibility. Okay, you can get that off from the VA benefits website. A lot of you guys already know where to find it, but if you don't have it, we can help you get that too.
Yeah, if you don't have it, we'll ask for the DD 214 form, and we'll help plenty of veterans track down their certificates of eligibility for those that can't find it. So
yeah, and remember, if you're a veteran and you're looking at your certificate of eligibility, it makes no sense. It's all gibberish. It's all government gibberish. So do not. There are numbers on there with your entitlement, and that just pay no attention. Just forward that to us, or talk to us about it. We'll read it. We'll interpret it. The VA makes it very confusing.
Yeah, absolutely. And then also you were bringing up a good point. The VA doesn't actually provide these loans.
People really start thinking that the VA is somehow giving them the money. Like the money is coming from the Veterans Association, which is not. It's coming from a bank, right? It's coming from the bank's funds. And what the VA does, they guarantee that the bank will be made whole if there's any losses. If there's a foreclosure, the VA is saying we're going to cover you to the bank.
Does that make sense? That there is no, a bank of the veterans. There is no bank within the VA. They're simply going out to the market. They're finding wholesale lenders that will do VA loans, and they'll say, "Hey, we're going to guarantee Mr. or Mrs. VA's home loan up to a certain amount." So that's an important reminder, important piece, because we get so many veterans calling us saying, "Hey, actually they'll go through lenders that have, VA in their name."
Yes, it's very deceiving banks out there that they make themselves feel and appear as though somehow they're related to the government organization.
And then they're simply not. So feel free to call us for any of your VA loan needs.
That's right. Okay, so that's all I can think of right now. Be sure to let us know, and I hope everyone has a good rest of your day.
Yep, absolutely. Hey, thanks, folks.
Take care, everyone. Hey guys, thanks for listening to the Mortgage Brothers Podcast. Please let us know if you have any questions you'd like us to answer. You can email your questions to team@azmortgagebrothers.com, and be sure to ask us for a free quote on your next mortgage. We'll be sure to give you personalized service and help you through the whole process. Signature Home Loans LLC does not provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. This material has been prepared for informational purposes only. You should consult your own tax, legal, and accounting advisors before engaging in any transaction. Signature Home Loans NMLS 1007154, NMLS number 210917 and 1618695, Equal Housing Lender.